It seems like every time I put wheels on this car, it's either ridiculously hot or freezing cold with snow already on the ground. I guess that can be attributed to procrastination, but when you live in an apartment with minimal tools, sometimes working on your car can be a chore. With a proper lift and a chest full of tools, working on cars is very enjoyable. Therapeutic, some might say. That and sharing the experiences with friends over a cold beer, learning something new every day. And not only working with friends, but working on friends' cars and bonding over the triumphs and inevitable failures. Modifying and repairing our own cars for the journey rather than fixating on the end goal. That mindset is a recipe for frustration. I was required to relocate due to my professional engineering career. This has resulted in many new friends. However, I haven't found anyone that shares my passions for cars. My garage here is sufficient for most jobs, but you'll break your back while you're doing them. At the end of the day, I am very thankful that I have the means to drive the cars I drive and have the garage and tools that I do have. And eventually I will relocate. And at that time, I look forward to surrounding myself with like-minded car enthusiasts. And oh yeah, I changed the wheels on my car. So I've got the Talladegas back on the car, wrapped in Pirelli P0 Neros, ready for summer, ready to rip. I hope you did enjoy this video. If you did, give it a like and consider subscribing if you'd like more content like this. As always, thank you for watching. I really appreciate it, and I will see you next time.